Hi there, this is Ahiram from Professor ZAB Official. Welcome to an exciting tutorial where you will learn how to transform a simple 2D rainbow illustration into a 3D design using Adobe Illustrator. Whether you are a beginner or experienced designer, this step-by-step guide will help you to master the technique of creating realistic 3D effects. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to add the depth and dimensions to your flat illustrations, making them pop with life and colors. So without any further delay, let's get started. Welcome back to brilliant world of Adobe Illustrator. So we have a design. So I'm deleting all things without these colors. And here's we have colors, and inside the colors we have add the hex code of these colors. So first of all, we need to make the illustration of our rainbow. So first of all, we need to make an ellipse by clicking on this and make it 1000 pixels and hit OK. So we have 1000 pixel ellipse. Now simply press D to reset it into black stroke and white fill. So select this ellipse and simply go to Object, Path, and then Offset Path. So type here the values minus 100 pixels and hit OK. So it will decrease 100 pixel from your larger ellipse. Now again select this ellipse and repeat the process 100 pixel again. Now repeat this process 4 times. We need 5 ellipses and 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 5 ellipses and 4 steps. We need just the half of circles. So now we need to cut from center. So how we can? Just choose the pen tool or simply press P to activate the pen tool. Click and press Shift to make a straight line and select the all and simply go to align sections and horizontal line center and vertical align center. Now select the all and go to shape builder tool. So just click on it to make a new shape. Now we are deleting this by pressing this one and hold Alt, and it will delete the extras. Also this one. Now we need to fill the color inside the strips. So how we can fill? So there's individually shapes. So select this one and go to eyedropper tool or simply press I and click on here. And again press Ctrl to select the selection tool and click on it, and there we are. So this box we don't need more, so I'm deleting here. So our rainbow effect is ready, and now we need to make some clouds in both sides. So how we can make that? So just choose ellipse and choose 250 pixels, and there we are. So you can fill this color. So make a copy of this ellipse by pressing Alt and drag left or right and make a copy and put it here. Now select the all and go to Pathfinder and make a compound shape just like this and make a copy and put it on other side, and there we are. Now our rainbow effect is ready. Now select the all and make a group by pressing Ctrl G. Now it's time to turn this shape into 3D inflated object. So select this one and simply go to Effects, 3D and Materials, and Inflate. In Inflate, we can increase the depth of inflation and go to Materials and select the base material and choose this default material. In lighting section, we will go here in this standard and make it in center, just like this. And now select the color in off-white. Now close the all material and graphics and open the properties tab and add here roughness around 60% and metallic around 0.45. and add the intensity of light around 95% and object is ready. Now we need to render it for future. So just click on this render with ray tracing and it will take a time. It's depending on your system speed and processing RAM and graphics card. Now we need to render it in a high resolution. So click on this drop down and click on high and render. And there we are. We have a high resolution inflated 3D object. And that's all for this video. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred a simple 2D rainbow into a vibrant 3D masterpiece using Adobe Illustrator. By adding the depth and dimensions, you have taken your design skills to the next level. Don't forget to experiment with the different colors, shapes, and effects to create your unique designs. If you enjoyed these tutorials, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share with others. Please subscribe Professor ZAB Official for more creative designs, tips, tricks, and tutorials. I will see you in my next one. Stay tuned and Allah Hafiz.